Scene script. Choose a voice that's inviting yet authoritative, friendly but informative. Remember, the goal is to engage and educate the viewer. Host, excited tone. Hello there. Welcome to another episode on. I'm here to take you on an enlightening journey about the power of effective communication. Ready to dive in? Here we go. Host, intriguing tone. Imagine holding the key to success in your personal relationships and professional endeavors. That key? Powerful communication skills. If you enjoy this video, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Host, serious tone. Let's start with the backbone of every successful interaction. Effective communication. A quick search for "Why is communication important in 2024?" will reveal its paramount importance in the modern world. Host, engaging tone. First stop, active listening. Consult Active Listening Techniques 2024 inches to master this crucial skill. Remember, true communication is not just talking but also listening and understanding. Host, emphasizing tone. Now, let's talk about clarity and conciseness. A look at Clear Communication Tips 2024 inches will show you how to convey your point without any ambiguity. After all, clarity is king in communication. Host, curious tone. Did you know your body speaks as loudly as your words? Body Language Tips 2024 inches highlights how you can use nonverbal cues to enhance your communication. Host, advisory tone. Constructive feedback is a two-way street. Check out Constructive Feedback Techniques 2024 inches to learn how to give and receive feedback that fosters growth and harmony. Host, appreciative tone. Lastly, remember, everyone is unique, and so are our communication styles. Adapting Communication Styles 2024 inches will guide you on how to tailor your communication to resonate with different individuals. Host, motivational tone. And that's a wrap on effective communication skills for personal and professional growth. Practice these techniques consistently, and you'll witness a transformation in your relationships and career. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep communicating and keep growing. Host, friendly tone. As we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which communication skill do you find most valuable? Drop a comment below. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned.